Let's go. Yeah, we are fucked. Basically got lost coming down here. But yeah, this is literally how you do it. Holy fuck. This is how you get down the Bruce. Literally. But like they say, moments like these are the ones that will last the longest. Tough times are the ones you remember. The easy times are often forgotten. It's fucking like Jurassic Park out there. This is the trail we're on. This is now a river. As you can see, it's like raining. It's pissing with rain. We're about to do the 6 peaks. So yeah, wish me luck, lads. I'm gonna film as much as I can, but obviously, yeah, I'm gonna be focusing a little bit on surviving at least until light. It's quarter to 4 in the morning. So yeah, see what happens.
Reën so. Dan wil jy net vir mamma bel en sê kom haal.
Wat jy sê, hierdie is nie so erg nie. Daai was al erg.
Daai is nee, kyk die weer gaan. Kyk as hy so dan hierso is 'n een ding, maar in die berge is 'n bietjie erger gewoonlik.
Ja.
Nee, maar nee, kyk, daai 5 dae se weer was nie lekker gewees nie. Dit kan ek jou verseker.
Brave soul, very brave, but I think it's going to be a good day out. If you can keep moving, you'll be fine.
Let's go. So yeah, that's peak 1 done. Ventersbach. Conditions severe, but surprisingly I'm moving quite quickly. I definitely think there's going to be a couple of DNFs on this event. The conditions are wild, but I must say these Speedgoat 6's performance is ridiculous. As you can see, I'm just gliding down these rocks in like basically the worst conditions, but feeling strong. My teammate was with me, and then he wasn't. Obviously it was dark, can't really see everyone with the headlamps, you don't know who's who. So yeah, but it's gonna be an interesting day. I'm kind of locked in, kind of gone into like a beast mode. You know, it's like you kind of accept the conditions, you accept that you're going to be cold and wet for the next 40 kilometers, if not more. You got to just switch that mindset, and you got to just bite the bullet. This is going to be me for the next 48 Ks. Let's just get it done, eh? Let's get it done, lads. Peak 1 done. Fucking made it. Feeling good. Brutal conditions for a trail run, man. But like they say, moments like these are the ones that will last the longest. tough times are the ones you remember. The easy times are often forgotten. Made it to the top of the ridge. Bone Crusher was brutal. I'm going to take a bit of a break here, just relax, sit down, gather my thoughts. This is another walk in the park, lads. Got another guy just behind me. Rather than that, than 32 degrees, eh? No shade. No shade. It's got its advantages. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see those guys out there. But this is the climb to Kierkop, I believe. Fuck. I don't think I've said fuck so many times on a trail, and I'm only 7k's in, or 47, so I got another 40 kilometers of this shit. I'm not going to film this, obviously, I need to focus, but yeah. That's me. Peak 2, Kierkop. So this is aid station 2. The next aid station is Kierkop, which is like far. We've loaded up with water, ate some food, and yeah. Mike is there. He joined like 15 minutes after me. I'm glad to see him. I thought I lost him, but yeah, he's here. So a massive waterfall through here. I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah. Right, we're about to commence our way up the saddle, which is about 3.5k. Going strong, but yeah, this is going to test us. This is the trail we're on, which is now a river. We're almost at the top of the saddle. Slow going, but conditions are somewhat hectic. Oh, we've sort of made it. Yeah, we're in it now, eh? We've accepted it. This sucks regardless. Just suck it up and continue. George Peak. This is how you get down the Bruce. Literally. Just slide down this fucking thing. Probably not the best time for fall, but slide down, bro. This is it's honestly so slippery. You literally just, you're better off just sliding on your ass. Doesn't look pretty, but this is one way to do the Bruce. I've accepted my fate. Broken pole. Actually, this pole is also broken. Broken pole. 2 broken poles. I'm on pain pills, anti-inflammatories. My knee is acting up again. This is so brutal. Stick. Good lad. Do 6 peaks in the rain, they said. For content, for you guys. You guys better like this video. Fucking hell. That's a blizzard. Full on blizzard. Alright, I think I know where we're going. It's honestly, we are wet through and through. Oh god. Oh. My legs are fucked. And this is a total of 42 to the 6th peak, but you still have to exit. It's like 46, 47 k's. We're on 25 now. At Skirvakorp. This is technically peak 4.5. Well done, lad. Cool. We've made it down the Bruce Skilverkop. Now there's a nice gradual down descent almost all the way to Tierkop to aid station 3. Fucking hell. But honestly, I think it's safe to say the worst is behind us. But that was intense. So yeah, I just got to Tierkop, aid station 3. We've had some food and yeah, time for the last peak. So yeah, we are being blessed with clear skies. As you can see, the view around us is amazing. A lot of it we didn't see because of the clouds and the rain, but looks like we might have a clear sky ending to this insane ultra known as the Six Peaks. And that's one hell of a fucking journey. We almost there. Through all the odds, through the rain, through the slides, through the knee pain. We're almost there. Fucking hell, Mike.
Yeah, dude. Almost done. Fuck, what a day.
What a day indeed. That was not easy. 13 hours. 13 and a half hours. As you can see, beautiful. We've been blessed with a bit of a sunset view. Here we are, fucking almost there. What a vibe. What a fucking beautiful view to end off a barbaric day. And there she is. Holy fuck. Wow. Well done, bro.
Yeah, cracker, bro.
Congrats, bro. the wrap, guys.